The Moto X series isn't what it used to be. Since Lenovo's acquisition of Motorola's smartphone business, the once high-end Moto X lineup has been demoted to a mid-range ranking, overtaken by the Z series as the Moto brand's top smartphone selection. But this year's Moto X4 has intrigued us nonetheless. In a nutshell, it is a mid-range handset with premium looks, one that just barely eclipses the G series spec sheet, but stands out with its fancy construction, dual camera setup, and IP68 water resistance. It currently costs $350 unlocked on Motorola's website, $325 from Google with Android One software and Project Fi service, or $280 on Amazon as the Prime exclusive phone with lock screen ads. But is any of these Moto X4 flavors actually worth getting? In the box. Moto X4. USB-C to USB a turbocharger. Quick start guides and warranty info. Display. Utilizing LTPS, low temperature polysilicon LCD, IPS technology, this 1080p, 1080 by 1920 pixels, screen looks good to the naked eye and gets pretty bright. Deep, vibrant colors may have you thinking it is an AMOLED display, even though it's not. Colors actually appear more accurate on this display than on most AMOLEDs, but a lean towards the bluer end of the spectrum is revealed in deeper testing, a trait unlikely to cause much concern. 424 ppi also does its part to deliver crisp, pleasing images.